Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Maintaining the hydraulic system accumulator on your ship is a vital task for ensuring that your deck machinery and steering gear operate with consistent pressure and smooth movements. The accumulator serves as a pressure storage reservoir, and its efficiency depends entirely on the correct nitrogen precharge pressure. To begin the recharging procedure, you must first prioritize safety by ensuring the hydraulic system is completely depressurized on the oil side. Open the manual bleed valve to allow any stored hydraulic fluid to return to the tank and verify on the local pressure gauge that the system pressure has dropped to zero. Once you are certain the hydraulic pressure is gone, you can remove the protective cap from the gas valve located at the top of the accumulator. Always check the type of gas valve installed, as some require specific charging adapters. Attach your nitrogen charging kit, which typically consists of a high-pressure hose, a regulator, a calibrated pressure gauge, and a T-handle valve opener. Ensure that you are using pure nitrogen gas, because using compressed air or oxygen is extremely dangerous and could lead to an explosion within the hydraulic system. Connect the nitrogen bottle to the regulator and then to the accumulator gas valve, making sure all connections are tight and secure. Before adding gas, use the gauge on the charging kit to check the current pre-charge pressure. If the pressure is lower than the value specified in the manufacturer's manual, you will need to add nitrogen. Slowly open the valve on the nitrogen cylinder and adjust the regulator to a pressure slightly higher than the target pre-charge. Open the charging valve in short bursts to allow the nitrogen to enter the bladder or piston chamber gradually. This prevents sudden temperature changes that could damage the internal seals or the rubber bladder material. Monitor the gauge closely and allow the gas temperature to stabilize for a few minutes before taking a final reading. If you accidentally overcharge the unit, use the bleed valve on the charging kit to vent the excess gas slowly. Once the correct pre-charge pressure is reached, close the nitrogen bottle valve and the accumulator gas valve tightly. Remove the charging kit and immediately check for gas leaks using a soapy water solution around the valve stem and the cap. If no bubbles appear, wipe the area clean and reinstall the protective cap securely. Finally, you can slowly restore hydraulic pressure to the system and observe the accumulator operation during a full cycle of the machinery. Correct pre-charge prevents the pump from frequent loading and unloading cycles, which saves energy and reduces wear on the motor. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.